What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video where I'm going to teach you guys in 5 minutes how to curl your hair with the Dyson Airwrap. And since this is a 5-minute tutorial, let's just dive right in. So I just washed my hair and my hair is still pretty damp. Now I'm going to go in with my Olaplex number 6 and also my heat protectant. Now I love this heat protectant so much. It's from Finola and you can also get it on Amazon. Doubles as a heat protector, frizz serum, and it's so good. If there's one product that I recommend to everyone, this is definitely it. And now that my hair has all the heat protectant, let's get started. So I have my Dyson right over here, and I actually got my Dyson from Best Buy. Definitely recommend checking Best Buy if it's sold out. I actually got this one on sale. So today I'm just gonna go over how to curl your hair with the Dyson Airwrap, but if you want a full Dyson tutorial, then comment down below and I will definitely do that for you guys. So I have the blow drying attachment and I'm going to blow dry my hair until it's at least 80% dry. And now that our hair is 80% dry, I actually prefer working in sections, so I'm going to tie up the first half of my hair. And because my hair is a little bit longer, I actually got the longer barrels from Dyson. You can get these on their website and I definitely recommend it if your hair is honestly anything past like your neck. But what kind of sucks about that is that I have the gold and copper one and they only have the barrels in the pink. So it's gonna look a little bit mismatched, but there's nothing you can really do about it. So now that we have the barrels, this is how you're gonna curl your hair. First, you're gonna put the barrel in and then you're gonna look directly in a mirror, and whichever way the arrow is pointing, that's the side of your hair that you're gonna do. So if the arrow is pointing this way, we're gonna do this side. If the arrow is pointing this way, we're gonna do this side. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a piece of hair and I like to hold it 1 to 2 inches above the tip. And then we're gonna turn this on. We're gonna do 5 seconds on the highest heat and then 5 seconds on the coldest heat. So. There you go. How perfect is this curl? But wait till the end, guys, where we're gonna brush everything out and everything will look beautiful. And if you happen to make a mistake, do not worry. Just go wet your hair, dry it, and then do it again. So now that we're done with this side, I'm gonna go ahead and switch this barrel over here, and then we're gonna curl this side. So again, you're facing a mirror and the arrow is pointing this way, so we're gonna do this side of our hair. Okay, so now we're done with our bottom half and it's looking pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is, usually I tie it in a bun like so. Just like this, while we work on the top section. I'm gonna brush it out. I'm gonna brush it out really, really quick. And then now we can continue curling our hair. So I'm gonna switch the barrel again because I like to start on this side. For my bangs over here, I'm just going to leave them until we are done with this side. So now we're going to be doing our bangs. I have the bangs right over here, and then I'm going to take this attachment and I'm going to do this a couple times and then this way a couple times. I'm just going to take this again and then I'm just going to take these parts over here that are very, very close. Style them just like this. Okay, so we are done with our hair. Okay, so here is the final look. I'm gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna brush it out a little bit so that the curls are a little bit more bouncy. This is the hairstyle that I do every 3 to 4 days with the Dyson Airwrap, and usually it does last me, I would say, like at least 2 days. And what I like to do is before I go to bed, I just like to tie it up into a bun so that makes it stay a little bit longer. I don't use any hairspray or anything because I don't like that crunchy texture, but I do use this hair oil before and after. This is literally the best. I'll link it down below. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified on when I'll be posting next. Thank you guys so much again. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you guys soon.